Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It is used at 100 countries and on more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. Most importantly, English enables you to get better jobs. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but I didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just stop at that. They block themselves. They use that as an excuse not to conquer English. With successful people, there is a difference between failing and being a failure. Even if things don't work out, they still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself by your results. Do what you can. Let it up. Life is too short and unpredictable. What are you waiting for? Live your dream. Linking sounds. English. Speak it. Write it. Read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close it. First you close it. Then you look it and put the key back in your pocket. Easy. Work all day. Run away. Post me. Can't breathe. Fill a cup. Drink it up. Wait a while. Walk a mile. Meet 8. Don't be late. Over. Over. Hot bread. Hot bread. Big block. Big block. Right eye. Right eye. Third layer. Third layer. Bracket. 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 Ja. Ja. Did you call about the job? What did you find out? Would you arrange travel? Ja. 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 Why didn't you tell me? Didn't you met in Malawian? Don't you speak Japanese? Sure. What's your name? What's your name? Who's your mother? Who's your mother?